Okay, I got a question about how our drip system is set up. And before I get started, I know that there are a lot of ways to do this, but this is how we did it. Make sure you know how big your garden is and how many hoses, main hoses, you need. So for like mine, there's a hose that goes in and goes over there, and then there's a hose that comes in and goes over here. If not, you're going to have a bunch of connectors and you might not have enough water pressure. So that's the first thing. Okay, so make sure also that you know, do you want to keep your original hose set up? So for me, I knew that it would make sense to keep this regular hose to fill up buckets, watering cans, whatever, and to split it off, there's a splitter there, with my timer and hose set up here. So what we have is a adapter, a timer, a backwash preventer, a pressure gauge, and then the adapter that connects to the hoses that has a filter on it. This comes as separate pieces, or you can do like I did and get it all as one piece together. Everything is linked in my Amazon storefront. Regardless of what you do, make sure that you have good drainage before you even hook this up, because we did not, and these emitters look tiny, but they put out a lot of water. So that's my first semi-pro tip. Second semi-pro tip, when you are putting these together, these things right here are very, very tight. These hoses are thick and tight. To get it over this little plastic piece, use a lighter. Same thing when you want to put on this piece, use a lighter to loosen this up and then put it here. Same thing when you want to attach it to the main hose. There's a poker tool. You want to use a lighter to first poke the hole and then attach it to here. And I'll show you that right here. So yeah, hope that helps.